What's up, guys? We're back at KMA. Going to do a little update. Haven't been here, but we're back and we're going to show a little bit more what's going on with the cars. So stay tuned, guys. We've got to do this bike over to the bike shop. It's all Harley Davidson. It's got some cool silver leaf with a candy tangerine over the top of it. Some flake on the edge. It's pretty cool looking. The old Buick covered up the wheels so they don't get oversprayed. And they're getting the floor all ready for the bed liner. They're going to bed liner the whole bottom of this thing. They got it all stripped down for the bare metal and whatever else. This must have been done prior, but they got it all scuffed up real good to do the bed liner. They're sanding the dash down. Look at that old radio. Wow, that's crazy. All chrome. That's cool looking though. Pretty solid old car though to start. Looks like they got it primed up again. Some more of the cowl and firewall primed up this time. Last time it was bare metal and being stripped. Primed up. Did some of the body work on the door now. Looks like the quarter's done. Primed up the trunk. Dashboard's all primed up. Looks like the whole car is now primed and all sealed up, so looks like they'll probably block it down again, check it over, fine tune it, and go from there with it. But it's all primed up now and sealed, so that's the good part. Looks like they got some parts here all sandblasted. They're probably going to epoxy these up soon. Got them sandblasted, the blower. This ain't primed, it's all raw metal here. That's how it looks when it comes out of the sandblaster. Some people are like, oh, what is that? But they just strip it so nice and clean, it almost looks like it's primed, but it's actually just raw metal. Here's some more of it. It's all sandblasted. Here's some of the Buick parts with some satin black on them. Looks like new parts again. And they got the floor to bed for the 71 C10 sprayed. everything looks good. No more wood being thrown in this one. But it's nice to see an old truck with a brand new bed on it. Look at that. Look how nice that looks. Once they get that the sides on it, it's gonna look awesome. There's the sides for it. But the Camaro's still at the electrical shop, so it's not here yet. But if anybody's new to the channel, we're covering these builds from the start to finish on them, and I'll show you the 71 truck that's coming out really nice. So if you guys want, subscribe to the channel and follow these cars all the way through. This is a 71 C10 they're doing. This thing's coming out beautiful. Just giving you guys an update on the jobs and what's going on over here. So like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thanks a lot.